Hello, welcome back. Today in this video, I will be discussing and giving a demonstration regarding what is Cytoscape app and how we can utilize this for designing any of the interaction network by using this particular platform. So before that, I just want to introduce with respect to what is Cytoscape and how we can utilize this for our research and publication purposes. So this particular app is, or you can see a tool, is used for building a very beautiful graphical networks and for any of the interaction by generating the network with respect to gene interaction, protein interaction, gene or the drug interaction network by using this particular platform. So even who can use this particular cytoscape? The biologists, data scientists, or even the beginner programmers can even build and analyze the graphical network by using the cytoscape tool. And this particular cytoscape is very interactive and very useful for analyzing and interpreting the data with respect to designing the network and interactions of any gene or the proteins which you are interested with respect to any of the cancer type or the disease type, and for designing those particular network by using this particular Cytoscape tool. How we can download this particular Cytoscape? You have to go in the Google and just type that as a Cytoscape, and you will get the least version of the Cytoscape from here. And this particular Cytoscape will give you, that is the 3.8.2 is the new version of the Cytoscape, and this particular Cytoscape, it is in the Java based, and this particular Cytoscape you can download directly for the Windows and the 64 bytes. So directly you have to click on the download, and this particular Cytoscape will download from here. And whenever it get download, it will need only certain steps, and you have to click on the certain steps, and this particular cytoscape will be get downloaded. So before downloading, I just want to also show you that the certain apps and plugins are also being available in the cytoscape, so that you can use for your studying the interaction network with respect to your analysis and interpretation part. So I'm just going to click on that particular app so that you can go through whatever the apps has been involved in the particular cytoscape. So you can find the cytoscapes app is there, and here you can also find how what is actually the cytoscape and who can use this particular cytoscape, what are the different analysis and uh, images that they have been given. So you can refer this. So one of the interactions what they have shown over here, so you can just see that how the beautiful interaction network you can design for your particular gene or the protein of your interest. So here you can see this is one of the interaction what they have shown with respect to the breast cancer gene specific. So these are the BRCA1 and how many this particular genes are interacting with which particular genes. So that thing you will get from here. You can even generate your own particular set which you have been interested. So for generating the particular network, you can refer my last video with respect to the string database. There I have shown you that how you can actually give certain gene list from the string, and you can generate the network from there, and that network you can directly utilize in the particular cytoscape for analysis and interpretations purposes. So there are certain samples which has been created. You can refer this for your analysis part and just go through that how actually we can use this particular cytoscape for designing the beautiful interactions with respect to the pathways, the gene expression data, and many plugins are available in this particular cytoscape. So the plugins are with respect to the rectum pathway or the wiki pathway or the cake pathways plugins are also there. You can even design the hubs in this particular network. You can even cluster that hubs with respect to the apps which is there in the Cytoscape. So here you can see that one of the option is there in the particular string database for your reference. So you can start your work by looking towards the string database, and you can see one of the option over there, that is send the network to Cytoscape. You can refer my last video and see how this particular interaction is being designed. So whenever you want to uh, send this particular network in the Cytoscape, you have to open your Cytoscape whenever it get installed in your PC. The particular session should be open in your PC, and you can just click on the send to Cytoscape options. So here you can say a certain number of information is coming, that's sending the network to the Cytoscape. So whenever it will get sent, then particular information will come over that the particular network has been sent. And afterwards you can analyze your data with respect to using the string database and any of the network which you are giving in any of the file formats. So whatever the different file formats are there, and how we can actually load our data with respect to the interactions in the form of nodes and interactions by using the Cytoscape. That thing I will show you in the next video for the analysis and using certain apps or the plugins and for designing the network with respect to interaction. So thank you, and looking forward to see you in the next video with respect to the analysis and using the Cytoscape for designing the interaction network of your particular cancer type or the disease type. So thank you.